Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I just wanted to give you another tip on olive oil purchasing and everything else because I had such a great time doing my Foodie's guide to decoding Italian olive oil. People have a lot of questions about olive oil, and when you look on Amazon you go, okay, this one looks good but it's $12, and this one looks great but it's $50. And you can really sort of get tied up in knots about how do you buy a really good Italian olive oil. So I have a couple of tips for you. Number one, it always should come in a dark glass container or a non-reactive metal container. Heat and light are the big enemies of olive oil, so you don't want clear glass. It may look pretty, but it's just really not good to have. Now the second thing, we mentioned a little bit in my video yesterday, is make sure you know when it was harvested. The harvest date should be on the label, and you'd be surprised how few actually tell you when it was harvested. Now yesterday I bought another Greek olive oil because I'm such an olive nerd that that's what I do for fun, is like shop olive oil. And this one actually was harvested in the 2019-2020 season, so we know that's going to be a really fresh, good olive oil. Another thing is look for the acidity. Now, extra virgin olive oil has to be below 0.5 or 0.8%. So looking for that, make sure that the acidity is as low as you can get it. Now, this one that we purchased yesterday, I was amazed that it could get this low as 0.17%. And I was like, okay, wow, that's got to be pretty good. So I'll let you know when I get it what it's like. It looks amazing. So as far as that goes, there's a bunch of other things that people really need to know because there's so many confusions on it. You know, you see, oh, first cold pressed olive oil, and you're like, first cold pressed. Well, any extra virgin olive oil is going to be cold pressed. Now, the first press is the press where you get most of the olive solids and that sort of thing. Depending, it can be virgin olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. There's certain specifics which you can read all about it in my Foodie's Guide ebook, which I will give you a link there. You can go get it for free, and it will tell you all about the different grades of olive oil, what the chemical expectations are to make them that way, how to not be fooled into buying something you know, like light olive oil. You know, what is that? Actually, it's pretty low-grade olive oil that's just a bit light because you can see through it, which is like, oh, don't want that. Anyway, I've got a ton of olive mastery for you in my little ebook, so you should go and get it. And I'm going to be putting in little tips, olive tips, you know, every few days up here so that you can tune in and get some of your questions answered. So I hope to see you in my ebook and my online olive course, and we'll just be in touch. See you later.